And do not be fooled when y'all see fireproof on any safe, because there's no such thing as a fireproof safe. There's just higher fire resistance. That's all it is. So this is the $66 one. You can use the code to open it, or you can use the key. It's either or, and you have to use the second key. So this is a double keyed system. So I'm going to turn that key, turn this key, that opens the safe. Y'all, this one is a thick steel door, but the medium and larger one does have thicker steel on it.